Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuse to check in case your rear wiper is not working. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. The rear wiper fuse will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, just in front of the battery, right here. To remove the cover, you will have three black tabs here, here and here. You want to press these tabs together and lift up to unlock it. Once you have the cover off, on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and this piece right here, this is the fuse puller, which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the rear wiper fuse, it's a fuse number F48, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse in the upper right corner. Now, in case this fuse proves to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. First you want to test the rear wiper switch, and then you want to test if the power is coming to the rear wiper motor. If it is, then the motor failed. If it's not, then you have the wiring issue. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.